Want to get started investing in the stock market but a little scared to do so? Today we're going to be talking about an app called Acorns and how that can help you get started investing in the stock market today with little to no effort. Let's jump in. Hi, I'm Tyler from the RideShare Guy. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about the app Acorns and how that can help you get started investing in the stock market, investing for your future today with little to no upfront time commitment. So let's look at this app and exactly what Acorns is. So first, Acorns is a micro investing platform, which is specifically designed for novice or inexperienced investors with little to no experience investing. Maybe they're even a little hesitant. Some that haven't used investing platforms before, but this allows them to make small investments. So think of things that you're able to buy. You look at like a stock price, maybe $500, $1,000, or even just $100. You don't have that amount of money to put forward to invest right now. You're able to purchase micro stocks of that, so you can put even $1 into that investment, into that stock, so that you own a portion of that stock, even if you don't have the full cash price for what that stock is worth, allowing you to get into the market right away and not having to wait until you have a large amount of upfront capital. Another thing that makes Acorns so great, especially for those that want to set it and forget it, is the Roundup feature that they have. So essentially you'll add Acorns to your debit or checking account, and every time you use that account, it'll round up to the nearest dollar. So for instance, say you buy a cup of coffee and it costs you $4.95. Acorn is going to round that up to $5. And so you're going to get 5 cents added automatically to your Acorn account. You get your cup of coffee, you go on your day, forget it. You have everything set up in Acorn already so that it is able to automatically start investing that 5 cents, which 5 cents doesn't sound like a lot, but if you buy a cup of coffee every single day, that roundup is going to get you some money. If there's things you purchase on a regular basis that are $4.97, even $100.27, it's going to round up to the nearest dollar and always give you that money put into that investment account. So it's one of those, a little snowballs into a lot if you're out there regularly doing it, and you don't really miss that money because it's just pocket change, really. So you're not actually missing that money. It's not adding dollars, hundreds of dollars at a time. It's just rounding up to the nearest dollar and essentially taking the pocket change from what you're purchasing and putting it into the Acorn account. Right now, Acorns is available only to those who live in the United States. There is a few exceptions for those in the military that are outside of the United States but still maintain an address inside the United States. But as of right now, Acorns is only available for those that are in the United States. So if you're outside, hopefully soon, hopefully in the future, but as of right now, it's not for you. It's just for those in the United States. Now, this is a great program and we absolutely love it, but there are some fees involved in it. So there's a couple of different plans that you can invest in and choose from that do cost a monthly fee. Now, there's no amount of money that you need to put in to start the account. You don't have to put in even $1 to start the account, but you do have to set up the account to automatically charge your account. And that can range from $1 all the way up to $5. So there was an account when I had mine, I canceled it and they said, hey, how about we give you $1 just for the subscription per month? And I said, we canceled it on that. But they typically have a $3 account for the personal account, and they have a $5 for the family account, which allows you to set up accounts even for your children. So you can set up different accounts all under that same umbrella for your children so that you're investing not just for yourself, not just for your future, but you can invest that change even into your children's account. So something great, a great feature, but it does cost $5 a month. So you want to make sure that you're investing at least that amount of money, because these fees, though very small, especially when you're starting out, that constitutes a large percentage of how much you're investing. If you only have $10 in the account and you're paying $5 a month, you're paying 50% in fees. Now, if that goes up and you now have $1,000, that's a much lower percentage. So it might be something you want to wait on that. But if you want to just get started and build that up, it is a great way to build up to that amount of money so that you're making money for the future. In addition to the Roundup feature that Acorns have, which we absolutely love, it also offers cash back at a lot of different places, a lot of different major retailers. Think of places like Walgreens, Walmart, Nike, a ton of different places that you can actually get even more cash back while you're purchasing through them. So this allows you to make even more money, so you're saving money when you make these purchases. You can put that money right into Acorns and you're able to save and make more money and invest. So not only are you saving your change, but it'll save you even more money for the future. So Acorns, what they do is they take the money and they invest in what's called a ETF, or an exchange traded fund, which allows them to purchase different things. So this may be different stocks or bonds or things like that. But this is what you're going to actually be investing in that money that you're giving, and then it's going to ultimately come back to you with however much that investment goes up. When you sign up for Acorns, you're going to be given 5 different options. You're going to have to choose one, which one's best for you, that will allow you to feel comfortable in your trading. Now, again, we absolutely love the Roundup feature. It's a great way for investors who don't want to actually look at their investment account every day. They don't want to make decisions on exactly where it's going, what stock to purchase. These ETFs are a great way to get started, and it rounds up for you, so you don't even have to think about it putting any money aside. You don't have to worry about money coming out of your account if you set that up automatically. Everything is done in the background. You never see the money come out. It's just, like I said, a roundup on that money. So it's a great feature. We absolutely love it. One of the things we don't love about this is the fees. Again, when you're first starting out, that's a huge percentage of the amount of money that you've got invested. So it's a little hindrance, but as time progresses, that fee is going to become a much less percentage, especially if you do have some capital to throw at the beginning just to get that started. But you don't have to do that. This is definitely something that you can snowball to make it more worth it. But at the beginning, those costs are a little high percentage-wise. Just like every type of investment account out there, or any type of investment, if you're investing rather in a regular brokerage or Acorns or anything else, there is a measure of risk because the market is not 100% guaranteed. However, statistically, over time, the market does continue to go up, so your money should go up. But again, there is no guarantee on any of that. But Acorns is a great way to help you get started. So have you used Acorns in the past? Did you like it? Did you have issues with it? What were your thoughts? Do you have additional questions? Please leave them in the comments below. We read every single one. We appreciate it. Please, if this video was helpful for you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There's new episodes that come out every single week that'll help you make and save as much money as possible. And stay safe out there, everyone.